The best part about going to school during summer was the ice cream that you would get after school. My favorite was Choco Bar, and today I'm going to show you how to make it at home. Let's start by making our ice cream base. This is a very versatile ice cream base and you can flavor it as you like. Today we're going to make a vanilla ice cream. So we'll start with some cream. This is 36% full fat cream, which I'm pouring into a bowl. I have chilled this cream overnight in the fridge, so it's really cold right now. And I also chilled my whipping attachment earlier for about an hour in the freezer. So let's start whipping our cream now. Our cream is thoroughly whipped and it's at soft peaks now. And clean the sides of the bowl using a spatula. Looks nice and cloudy. To this whipped cream, we are going to add some condensed milk. So the cream was about 225 ml and the condensed milk is about 125 ml. Now very gently fold in the condensed milk. You don't want to lose all this air that you've just whipped up. Go around the bowl and then through the center, scraping at all times. Our ice cream base is thoroughly mixed now. This would be the right time to add your flavorings. If you like, you can add vanilla essence or extract to this. You could also add some fruit purees to this so you have a nice fruity taste through your ice cream. I'm going to leave it as it is because I really like the milky flavor that the cream brings in. Now let's pour these into our mold. So I have this very cute Chocobar mold that I bought online, but if you don't have this, don't worry, you can also use a Kulfi mold. So I'll start by pouring in our ice cream mixture into a silicone mold. Spoon in the mixture gently. Again, you don't want to lose out all this air. So make sure you're very gentle with the entire mixture. After the mold is completely filled, make sure to tap it a little. It looks nice and smooth from the top. Now we'll insert our candy sticks. There's a hole in the mold, so I'm just going to insert the stick through it. Okay, set this aside. And now let's fill our Kulfi molds. It's the same procedure. Just spoon in the mixture. Don't fill it all the way to the top. You want to leave some space for the sticks to go in. Now that the molds are filled, let's tap it on the counter. And let's insert the sticks in it, just through the center. Now we'll let this freeze overnight. And now it's time to make a coating of our Choco Bar. I have a pot of boiling water here. It's already boiling. I'm going to place a proper glass bowl onto this. You can also use microwave to melt your chocolate, but I think double boiler works really well. So to our heat-proof bowl, we're going to add about 100 grams of milk chocolate and about 70 grams of dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Adding butter to our chocolate will ensure that the chocolate is at a very good coating consistency. Keep a spatula handy and turn your chocolate around every 30 to 40 seconds. When you see that the chocolate is halfway done, turn off the heat. The leftover heat from the steam will definitely melt the chocolate further. Our chocolate has melted nicely and it's at a nice coating consistency now. Let's pour it into a tall cup. You can also use a glass if you like. Our chocolate coating is now ready to use. And that's how easy it is to make Choco Bar at home, and trust me, it's totally worth the wait. When you try this recipe out, do let me know about your experience in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such recipes. See you next time.